morning, children. In last class, I explained to you lesson number 2, honey, sweet honey. No, children? So, once again, I will repeat that lesson. The children were standing in a village where they were eating some meat. So, suddenly, some pieces of meat fell on the ground, and few ants were gathered to eat the sweet, and they started eating. So, one girl named Fatima, she told for her friend, see how the ants are gathered around the sweet meat. So, they are speaking, they are saying for one another that how the ants are carrying unlimitedly their food. See how the kittens are, it look very nice and it is white in color, and the cat is licking the kitten with love. So, like us human beings, animals also will live together. Next one boy will say that, so animals also live together. My father told me. So when I went to the Nagravale forest, I saw some animals in a group, but only one animal was alone, that is tiger. So it was not in a group, it was living alone. So next the dogs were fighting for the piece of bread. So many dogs were fighting for a piece of bread, and the birds were flying together in the sky. And the monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree, and the baby monkey is holding onto the belly of its mother. So one girl asked, why, what if the baby monkey falls down? So that boy is saying, no, the baby monkey is holding its belly tightly. Next is, the hen is teaching the chicks how to search for the food. No, children, I taught this one in the last class. No, children, now if you near your house you observe some animals, how the behavior is, and how the hen and doll will teach the lesson. Dogs and doll will teach the lesson for the small ones. Okay, children. Now in this class I am going to explain about the honey. Okay, children. Honey and about the children. Fatima, look at the honey bee sucking nectar from a flower. So that Fatima is saying for her friends, see, look at the honey bee. Honey bee means Genuna. So it is sucking nectar from a flower. So it is sucking food from a flower. Radha, come, let us talk to the honeybee. So Radha is saying, come, let us talk to the honeybee. We can go and talk to the honeybee. Tejas, honeybee, where is your hive? So that Tejas will ask, honeybee, where is your hive? So hive is a home for a honey, Jane Gudu. So hive means Gudu, Jane Gudu. So, honeybee, look, there my hive is in the tree. So the honeybee will say, my home is in the tree. We will call it as hive. Tejas, we see only the bees there. So Tejas is saying for the beehive that honeybee, that bees are only there. Honeybee, that is my family. Yes, that is my family. Fatima, what? You have such a big family. Honeybee, yes, there are thousands of bees in a family. There is one queen bee and the rest are workers bee. The worker bees do work such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. So, the honeybee will say, see, this is my family. And Fatima is asking, what? You have such a big family. So, honeybee will reply that, yes, there are thousands of bees in my family. Only one queen bee will be there and other bees are worker bees. So the worker bees will do work as building the hive, collecting food and looking after the queen. And the work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. So what is the work of worker bee means? It will work such as building the hive, collecting food and looking after the queen. What is the work of queen bee? The work of queen bee is only laying eggs. Radha, oh. Tejas, your hive looks very beautiful. So Tejas will say, your home is very beautiful. Honeybee, we produce a sticky material called wax. We build the hive with the wax. We build it on the branches and in hollows of trees, terraces of the big buildings, etc. So the honeybee will say, we produce sticky material that is called wax. From the wax we build the hive, we will build the home, and we will build on the branches, in the hollows of trees and in the terrace of a big building. Fatima, your food is the nectar of the flowers, isn't it? So Fatima will ask for the honeybee that what is your food? So food is the nectar of the flowers. We will suck the nectar from the flowers. Honeybee, yes, we store the nectar in the hive and eat it when we need food. It is the honey. So the honeybee will say, yes, we will suck the nectar from the flowers and we will store and will keep in the hive, means in our home. And we will eat it when we need food. And it is called the honey. What it will do? It will suck the nectar from the flower and store it in the home, that is called hive. And when they are hungry, they will need that one and eat that one. So that is called honey. Tejas, I too like honey. My grandmother told me that it has medicinal qualities. So Tejas will say that I also like honey. My grandma told that we will prepare medicine from the honey. Honeybee, true. Do you know that all the honey you eat is not pure? People mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. So honeybee will say that yes, we will prepare, they will use it as a medicine, but all the honey are not pure. Some people will mix jaggery, means bella. So they will mix the jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and they will sell it. Fatima, then how do we find out whether the honey is pure or not? So then Fatima will ask for the honeybee that how can we find out whether it is pure or not? So honeybee will say, do this. So you can do this experiment by yourself at home. Take a glass tumbler, put some water in it. Add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with the water before it settles down, it is not pure honey. If it is settled down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. So you take a tumbler of water in a glass and put 3 drops of honey into the water and mix them. If it settles down, if it comes down, then it is not pure. So if it settles down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is a pure honey. So the honeybee will say like that. Now, do you know which is pure honey? Tejas, honeybee, it's getting late. I have to collect the nectar. I have to leave your children. So, honeybee will say, its time is over, it is getting late. So, I want to collect the nectar and I have to leave you children. Radha, alright honeybee, let us meet again. So, Radha will say, okay honeybee, let us meet once again. Fatima, do you know, I have seen small bees. They build a hive in the space between the stones. So Fatima will say for their friends, do you know friends that I have seen small bees. They build home in the space between the stones. Observe the pictures. The size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. Observe different types of bees and hive around you. So they are given some pictures. You look out carefully. The size of the bees are different and they are not looking same. So you also observe near your house the bees and its home. Then you will identify it. Tejas, I have seen the rearing of bees and collection of honey near Nagaravale forest. So children, have you seen Nagaravale forest? Okay. So they'll be rearing bees and they'll collect the honey and keep there. Fatima, wooden honey boxes are kept in the gardens. People get the honey collected in it. So Fatima will say that the honey will be kept in the wooden boxes and they'll keep in the garden. See, they given the picture here. The honey is inside the wooden box and they are kept in the garden. So people will collect the honey from the garden that they are kept in the box. Tejas, yes, I have seen such boxes in my uncle's garden. So Tejas will say that he has seen so many boxes in his uncle's garden. Radha, a lot of honey is used at home. I like honey very much. So Radha will say that I have so much honey in my home, means Jentupa, I have so much and I like that honey very much. So she also likes very. Do you like children very much that honey? Yes. Tejas and Fatima, we like it too. So these two children also are saying that we also like that honey too much. Radha, my grandfather tells me that there are other products from the hive. So Radha is saying that her grandfather told that there are so many products from the hive. We can make so many products from the hive. Do you use honey at home? For what purpose do you use it? So you also use at home honey, no? So for what purpose will you do it? Use it, children? Sing and enjoy. Bees are going in big swarms from flower to flower here and there, collecting nectar. Oh, so sweet! And then they return to their combs. So bees are going all in a group, big group, from flower to flower here and there. They are collecting nectar. So that nectar is so sweet. And afterwards they will return to their house. Means combs, means hive. Bees, big and small. How good they look in varieties though. Producing lots of wax and honey only for us, not themselves. So, big bee, small bee, all in group, how they look like, how good they look like. They'll produce lots of wax and honey. So, for us, not for themselves, not for the bees, they'll provide wax and honey for us. Preserve the bees who produce honey. Bees are our dear friends. They provide honey for our health. Its use is unlimited. So, you must look after it carefully because they provide honey. Honey is good for health and its use is unlimited. Okay, children? Now, the next page. Which are the other things available to you from the hive? So, other things apart from this one, which one we will get from the honey? What we will make from the honey? They are given some picture here. Look at that picture and understand. So, first is honey, ink, powder, candle, paint, ointment. So, from the hive we can make this one and all. We can use it for this one and all. We can use it for ink. We can use it for candle, we can use it for powder, we can use it for paint and we can use it for ointment. So, these are useful from the hive. From the hive we can make all these things. Okay, children? A honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. The only food that man eats produced by the insect is honey. So, only honey from the insects, the man will eat only that food, that is honey. As the ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil, the plants grow luxuriantly. Hives, nest, ant hills, termite area and spider's web etc. are the wonderful construction of the animal kingdom. So these are the wonderful constructions of animal kingdom, which is the hives, nest, anthill, termitaria and spider's web. The ant which carries leaf on its back to protect itself from the sunlight is called umbrella ant, that is Sauba ant. So which carries leaf on the back to protect itself is called umbrella ant, Sauba ant. Okay children? Any doubt children? Did you understand this lesson? Any doubts children? Yes. The next class I will give you the notes. Okay children? Thank you.